If you guys have seen some of the other videos, you've seen some how-to basic videos on maintenance items on this LX450 that I purchased. I was going to build this into an overland rig, but changed my mind. I really want to get a 40th anniversary. That's where my heart is, and this one's going to go up for sale. So I put it up for sale on a couple of sites, including the forum, and I also submitted it to bringatrailer.com. Never really put a car on there before, and I've heard that people have to wait weeks or months to get any sort of approval from them. But to my surprise, within 24 hours they approved the listing, which I guess is a good thing. It is a beautiful car, and it should sell very easily. It's been redone in every possible way you can redo one of these. All the trim is new, glass is all new, paint is new, a lot of maintenance work that's been done on this thing over the last few years. Brand new ARB bumper, new leather inside, a lot of interior trim work, new carpet, pretty much anything you can do to keep this thing looking brand new. Anyway, keep a lookout. I'll post the video when it does go on Bring a Trailer. I'm real curious to see what kind of bids it brings and what sort of feedback the community has about it. I'm going to be cleaning it up, doing a couple more little maintenance items, and getting it ready for the auction over the next couple weeks, and I'll post videos of those as well. In the meantime, if you have any questions, let me know. I'm going to miss this thing. It's beautiful. I just don't want to continue building it. Somebody else will probably give it lots of love. Real curious to see what it'll go for. Let me know if you have any guesses down in the comments below.